Hi and welcome to chapter 8. In this chapter, we will learn how to handle platform-specific logic to be able to have the same functionality across all platforms. We will be using DOM2Image, which is a library that allows us to save the image or the screenshot to the computer, since the library that we are using from the previous lesson is not compatible for web. So let's see how we can handle this for web. So the first thing that I'll do is to stop this and I'll install the DOM2Image package. This is going to work only for web, remember? So let's go ahead and install this library. Okay, now it's installed, so let's go ahead and restart the server again. I'll hide the terminal for now. And now let's go to the index screen. Let's add the import DOM2Image from DOM2Image. In TypeScript is telling me that it cannot find the types for this library. So let's go ahead and try to run this command that we have in here. So I'll just copy and let's go back here and paste. Okay, once we install the types for this package, TypeScript is happy. So let's go ahead and restart the server. We're gonna need one more thing from React Native. So let's go up here, and we used this in previous lessons. It's called Platform. Platform allows us to have validations for those cases when we want to apply platform-specific logic. So in this case, when we are saving the image, I will have a validation based on the platform. So we can say if the platform dot operating system is equal to web, then we want to do some logic, right? Otherwise, we want to do the same thing that we had before. So I can just leave this as it is. Now, in the case of web, what we want to do is pretty similar. It's going to be a try catch as well. But in this case, we're going to be using the DOM2Image. And this one has a method called to JPEG. This is going to take the node, and this also takes some properties like the quality, width, and height. This is only going to be for web. After this, we are getting a link. So we can say document.createElement.a. We can use this to link the download link of the image. We're putting this name, and then we are adding an href based on the data URL. Once we have that, we are triggering a click on this link. This is going to download the image. Now I have a warning in here. So what I'll do now is just say TypeScript ignore for now. This way we don't have to worry about this TypeScript issue. And now let's try to see if this works on web. Okay, so here we have the web app. I choose this photo and then I'll quickly add an emoji and then press save. And if I go to my downloads, I can find this image in here and I can create a new one just to show you that this is working just fine. And I can move this, double tap, and then press save. And this is going to this is going to generate a new image. Now I have two, but this is the most recent one. And this is how it looks. Awesome. This was a quick chapter. Now our app handles web, iOS, and Android correctly. I hope you liked this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.